We are pleased to show you the 2020 Express 2500. The Chevrolet Express 2500 has soldiered on for nearly 4 decades with only one major redesign happening during that time, a rolling testament to the "if it ain't broke, don't fix it" school of vehicle design. The Express offers a passenger van's timeless features of powerful engines and space, and even more space, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: towing package, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, traction control, front wheel independent suspension, 4-wheel disc brakes, low tire pressure warning, cruise control, trip computer, power windows. Your new ride is just a phone call away.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.